Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to calculate the equal monthly payments on a loan. So these numbers are my loan terms. I have a loan at 32% per annum. Amount is 25,000 for 48 months tenor. Now, to quickly calculate the amounts I'm expected to pay monthly, I'm going to name these inputs using the names on the left. To do this, I highlight the range of cells including the name, and I'll press Ctrl+Shift F3, which opens the name creation dialog box. Excel detects that there are names to my left, so it checks this box and I'll click OK. What this means is that instead of using your mouse to select these values, you can call it by name. So example, principal, and you get 25,000 selected. You can use it in your calculations as well. So we'll go ahead and then calculate our equal monthly payments. The function is equal to PMT. So PMT requires a rate. We've already named this. So rate, I'll divide this by 12 because this is given in annual terms. But I want it to agree with my compounding, which is 48 months. So I'll divide the rate by 12 and then I'll bring my comma. The next argument is NPAR, which is the number of periods, same as the duration or the tenor. So I'll put in this and I'll bring my comma. PV represents the principal amount. I've already named that as principal. Now, when you are using financial functions in Excel, you need to negate all cash outflows. So this is money leaving our position. So I'll negate it. And the rest of the arguments, FV, represents future value payments that you are likely to make. If you don't have it, you can put in 0. They are optional arguments. And I'll bring my comma for the timing of the payments. If you are making payment at the end of the month or end of period, you put in 0. Before you put in 1. So going over, rate, divide by 12, tenor, negate principal, FV value is 0, and then we are making the payment at the end of the period. So when I hit enter, I get this equal monthly payment for the duration. I can do Alt-HK to take off the currency and give me an accounting format. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or visit our YouTube channel Excel Hacks for Productivity for all our old videos. Click subscribe for notification of new ones, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.